यूजी सेमेस्टर थर्ड के वैसे स्टूडेंट जो अंग्रेजी माध्यम से पढ़ाई करते हैं, इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनके लिए अकॉर्डिंग टू सिलेबस ऑफ यूजी सेमेस्टर थ्री आज हम लोग मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू फॉर ए फर्म पर डिस्कस करेंगे। द डिटर्मिनेशन of prices and outputs of various products depends upon the type of market structure in which they are produced, sold and purchased. In this connection, economists have classified the various markets prevailing in a capitalist economy into a perfect competition or pure competition. Monopolistic competition, oligopoly and monopoly. Three market forms: monopolistic competition, oligopoly and monopoly are generally grouped under the general heading of imperfect competition. Since these three forms of market differ with respect to the degree of imperfection in the market. Monopolistic competition is slightly imperfect and monopoly is the most imperfect form of market structure. But before explaining the silent features of various market forms, it will be useful to explain what is meant by market in economics. Paragraph change. Meaning of market. Generally, market is generally understood to mean a particular place or locality where goods are sold and purchased. However, in economics, by the term market, we do not mean any particular place or locality in which goods are bought and sold. The idea of a particular locality, the idea of a particular locality or geographical place is not necessary to the concept of the market. What is required for the market to exist in the contact between the sellers and buyers, so that transaction, that is sale and purchase of a commodity, at an agreed price can take place between them. The buyers and sellers may be separate over a whole town, region, or a country, but if they are in close communication with each other, either through personal contact, exchange of letters, telegrams, telephones, etc. Telegram, telephone, etc. So that they can sell so that they can sell and buy a good at an agreed price, the market would be said to exist. Further, it is noteworthy that because in a market there is close and free communication between various buyers and sellers. Price of a homogeneous commodity settled between different sellers and buyers tends to be the same. Thus, in the words of Cournot, 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 a French economist, economist understood by the term market not any particular marketplace in which things are bought and sold, but the whole of any region in which buyers and sellers are in such free intercourse with one another that the price of the same good tends to equality easily and quickly. Paragraph change. Thus, the essentials of a market are A. Commodity which is dealt with लिखो. Commodity which is dealt with. B. The existence of buyers and sellers. A B C कर दो ना. A. Commodity which is dealt with. B. The existence of buyers and sellers C, a place, comma, B, it a certain region, B, it a certain region, comma, a country, or the entire world. And D, such communication between buyers and sellers that only one price should prevail for the same commodity at the same time.